1. Buds and young twigs of amaril cherries, Prunus, and wild cherries, Prunusivum, against enuresis. Pour a handful of buds and young twigs from amaril cherries or wild cherries with 2 glasses of boiling water. After half an hour, strain and drink 2 times a day, 2 hours before meals. 1 cup of this tea. Tea should be sweetened with honey. (2) Common yarrow, Achille millefilium, against enuresis. Drink half a cup of common yarrow tea every morning and every evening. The tea is made by pouring 1 tablespoon of common yarrow with 1 cup of boiling water and leaving it buried for 10 minutes. 3. Treatment of enuresis with dill seeds, Anethum graveolens. In the evening, pour 1 tablespoon of dried dill seeds into the thermos and pour 1 cup of boiling water over it. Leave to stand overnight. Strain in the morning, add honey and drink, before breakfast, for 10 days. Take a break for 10 days and repeat the treatment with dill tea for another 10 days. 4. Blueberry and blackberry tea against enuresis. Pour boiling water over the blueberries and blackberries and let them stand for 40 minutes. Drink 100 milliliters of tea 4 times a day, and eat blueberries and blackberries. 5. St. John's wort, Hypericum perforatum, tea against enuresis. In Crimea, phytotherapists advise to drink 1 cup of St. John's wort tea in the evening, before going to bed. Before going to bed, you should also rub the lower part of the stomach with brandy, and then, when the alcohol dries, lubricate the stomach well with St. John's wort oil. 6. Cranberry and St. John's wort tea against enuresis. Boil 2 tablespoons of dried cranberries and 1 tablespoon of St. John's wort for 10 minutes in 3 glasses of water and leave it covered for 1 hour. Strain. Drink 5 times a day for half a cup.